Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to the weekly vlog. So we are back to reality. Vacation is over and I have so many errands I need to do. As you can see, I have a package back there I need to return. I have packages up here that I need to take to the post office. I just have a lot of stuff I need to do today to get things back in order, to get back into the swing of everything after vacation. It's giving ghetto. It's giving very much ghetto. I was so mad I had to get up this morning and fix my own breakfast. Like, I was pissed. I gotta drop all of this stuff off at the post office. That's the first thing that I need to do this morning. It's already after 10 o'clock. I got a late start. Last night we all went out to dinner. Well, not all of us, but my father's side of the family. We all went out to celebrate my birthday since I wasn't here. We went out to Longhorn, which is one of my favorite steakhouse restaurants. We had so much fun. I need to find something to wear because we have my girlfriend's Ashley 40th birthday party this Sunday and I don't have anything to wear. So I don't know if y'all saw the unboxing on my TikTok, or maybe I did a YouTube shorts on it too. I think I did. But I brought a new phone. This is the Galaxy S23. I brought it in the cream color, 512 gigabytes. So awesome. This is my second day using it. I still have to go through and set up all of my settings and customize it, but Amazon just dropped me off some protectors, and this is for like the lenses back here so I don't scratch it up. And then I ordered a pop socket that looks like this, and I also have a cover on here if you all can see it. I only buy my covers from one particular brand because I like them nice and thin and sleek, but it also protects my phone. I'll have everything linked, but this is just a clear cover. The phone is actually this cream color. So I went to Easy Pass earlier and they were able to fix my account and adjust it. I just have to check back in a little bit to see if all the adjustments was made. I just left out of the mall returning some clothes items that I had. I didn't realize I only had up to 14 days to return it to get my money back, and I just had to get a store credit. So I found some cute pants. I'll show y'all once I get in the house. Remember I was telling y'all I have to find something for Ashley's 40th birthday party anyway. Then I know I shouldn't have, but I stopped at on Ann's. I had to get a pretzel, and I figured because it's 10 o'clock in the morning, they should be nice and fresh. It's not as hot as I wish it was, but it's good. It's good. I also got me a lemonade. Oh, baby, that hits the spot. I needed that. I needed that pick me up. Y'all see how down I was? And then that little bit of sugar and lemon and sweetness just got me right back up where I needed to be. We the only people in here. So, we at the movie theater. Of course, today Creed came out, but we decided to come to see Ant-Man first because my daughter wanted to see Michael B. Jordan. So we're gonna check this out first. One day this weekend, we'll go see Creed. Into the forever. So it's been a few days. I did go to the post office and I stopped at my P.O Box and I had some packages in there. Let's go through and unbox some of the stuff that I had in there. I was so happy to see that I had some packages. So if you all want to send me anything, I'll leave all the information down in the description box of all of my videos. This first package is from a brand called Lazy Naturals NYC. Oh, I love personalized notes. Hey Ronnie, we are at Lazy Natural NYC. Love your YouTube channel. We saw your twist out video and we had to send you some of our products. We know you will do it justice. Try out our hair mask and hair cream and let us know what you think. We hope you continue to prosper and do skyrocketing numbers on your channel. Love, Drea. I think I'm pronouncing that right. Thank you so much. So they sent, oh, and I love the black packaging. They sent us a hair mask. It's called Pink Sugar Hair Mask that looks like this. And the consistency of it is nice and creamy. Look at that. It smells so good. I can't wait to take out my braids to try this out. Why is it getting dark? Don't know why it's getting dark. They also sent us some conditioner as well. And it's pink sugar, so I believe it has, yes, it's the same scent. It's the same scent as the hair mask. Hey, what's up? Hey. I can't stand you. Thank you. This other package is from, oh, I know who this is from. Let's open it up. I don't know why I don't buy a box cutter. This is for you by Tia Mowry, and it says natural hair, meet the best in clean science. I have 2 boxes from her actually. And this is the moisturizing shampoo, gently cleanses and softens watermelon, plus Hema 15. And it comes in this cute little bottle like that. She also sent us the clarifying shampoo, deeply cleanses and removes buildup, apple cider vinegar, plus Hema 15. Looks like that. Oh, I can't wait to try these products. So in this other box, she sent the For You Leave-In Curl Cream, smooths frizz and softly holds flaxseed plus Hema 15. And she also sent us the curl defining gel that delivers definition and shine. And this one has aloe vera plus Hema 15 in it. So thanks so much to Tia Mowry and her promotional team for sending us these products. I'm definitely gonna be trying them out. And I think I already know what this package is. I sent this to my P.O Box to make me go and check it. So I ordered some stuff from Kylie Jenner because she had a sale going on that I saw on Instagram. And I ordered some of her lip products. I already had this one, which is called Punk. This is the brown that you all normally see me wear on my lips. It's really, really pretty. Really, really pretty. I like it because it's not drying at all. We're gonna ignore the fact that one of my nails is missing, okay? So this one is Felt Cute number 728, and it comes in this color like that, really pretty. I also ordered a whole look with L-E-W-K, and it looks like this. It's a pretty like brown pinkish color. Then I ordered a high gloss from her, and this one is called Like. This is number 610, and it's a light brown. And then I ordered this pink rose color. It's called Posy K. So I can't wait to try these out. I want to do some different colors for the spring and summertime on my lips, because y'all know I'm usually a classic matte girl. And it comes with these cute little stickers. How cute is that? It's been such a while since I did a home update vlog because I really haven't been having too much going on in the house. It's still been a struggle trying to find somebody to do certain stuff around the house that I need to be done. The struggle is real when it comes down to finding someone to do good quality work. So yeah, still working on that. But in the meantime, in between time, springtime is coming up, and I want to do some stuff around the house just to spruce it up a little bit, change it up a little, add some color in here, because y'all know I'm very neutral, you could tell. I wanted to add some color in here for the springtime and just do some little odds and ends around the house. The first thing that I do want to do, if y'all remember from my last home vlog when I spray painted my knobs, because I wanted one side of my knob to be black and the other side of my knob to be gold, girl, that was such a fail. I'm gonna go find some new doorknobs for my front door, my garage door, and my back door. Gotta change those knobs. Maybe I need to put a coat on top of it to seal it. I don't know, but it's not holding up, and I wanna get rid of that. Plus, now that it's getting warm or starting to warm up, we could focus back on the patio. The patio in the backyard. We left off the home vlog with them putting up the fence and stuff out back, but we wasn't able to really do anything out back because of the bugs. What was they, cicadas that we had last year or year before last? I don't know what it was, but whatever those bugs was, I cannot sit out on my patio or enjoy my backyard. We had a lot of issues with bugs, and I was not fit to go out there. I even hired Orkin people to come out and spray so that we won't have any bugs out there. I mean, granted, it is outside. We are near water, but whatever. So now, hopefully this summer, they will not be around, and we can get to enjoy our backyard outdoor scenery. You know what I mean? Look at my baby. Look at him sunbathing down there. We celebrated Mylo. We just sung happy birthday to him. It was so cute. I didn't record a lot, but I had to capture him because I had just got off of work. And I said, we gotta sing happy birthday to my baby. So Mylo turned to 8 years old, and I'll insert those clips now.
Hold up, hold up. Put it back on. Oh shit, it's too tight. There you go. Stop.
Look at him rapping. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Mylo. Happy birthday to you.
Nah. Little cake, whatever.
You ain't eat your cake?
Yeah.
Woo! Yeah. You like it? even think y'all can see me. Hold on, let me roll my window up. I don't even think y'all can see me because of the sun, but I'm heading out to Ashley's 40th surprise birthday party. I haven't talked to her today at all, but I was just running behind. Time got away from me. I was laying across the bed doing nothing, and I was like, oh shit, it's almost 3 o'clock. I'm gonna get myself together. But she's not walking in until 5, and my GPS said that I'll get there at 4:40. Usually I'm early. I'm really, really early. I hate being late to something, even though technically I'm not late because she's not walking in until 5, but I wanted to be there early. So we're on our way to Ashley's surprise birthday party. I'm not bringing my vlog camera in, but I want to record her reaction. That's why I want to get there early to catch her walking in.